Shine bright up all night.
Hello guys, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I am Disney. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting your girl. And if you're new to the channel, karibu sana. So guys, in today's video, let's go install artificial locks on my hair. Like a while back, I shaved my hair. If you have been following up on my YouTube channel, you know I shaved off my hair, and I thought shaving or maintaining short hair would be easy. It was not. Then I started plaiting, and now we are here. So I am going to experiment on the artificial locks and see whether it's cheaper and way easier having them on rather than having your natural hair. So bit of the day check, I have here my water bottle, because you know Nairobi weather with the sun, though today the sun is not that bad actually. It has reduced, and like yesterday it was so hot. Anyway, I have that water bottle, my jumper, and you know some comfortable dress and shoes. Yeah. The location of the salon I was going to was Umoja 3, and I found them finalizing on other people, and they're normally packed, so when you go you book in advance. They also make the artificial locks over there. So once I arrived, they asked me which color I wanted and the length that I wanted, and they started making them. And there were quite a couple of people making the locks, so that made it so fast. They made the locks in a short while.
Always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh.
So for the price of the locks, I paid 4,000 Kenyan shillings, which included the locks, lock installation and wash only, since the person installing the locks doesn't install the locks on blow-dried hair. She prefers installing locks on only washed hair, that is. So I was just trying to figure out the length of my hair, and we'll see the growth of it once I install the locks.
In my heart before, let me in. Oh, your love explodes, our heart implodes. Your love explodes, our hearts implode, implode.
Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes. We're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. No, we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. No, we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this.
I loved the fact that after installation they were trimming out the frizzy hair on the locks, thus neatening the locks.
Running wild, can't calm down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. If for a second I can feel like this, make me feel like this.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah.
So over here she asked me which style I wanted, so I showed her from the phone, and that's how they styled me. I loved how the locks turned out neat at the roots. With locks, I have noticed there are people who fix them neatly on the roots and some don't fix them that neatly. But like, I loved the neatness of these locks. Also, the installation was painless and the hair was light too, so it doesn't weigh down your hair.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
And that's the final look. I loved the outcome. Yeah, so guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.